Hey there, if you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new here, hi. I'm Hannah and I'm a travel and nature photographer and video creator. And I wanted to take a second to share what's inside my camera bag as we head deeper into 2024. I find myself shooting out in a lot of different environments these days, whether I'm in the city doing cityscapes or street photography, or in nature shooting waterfalls and mountains. Whatever I'm doing, this kit has my back 100%. So let's get into it. The backpack that I use is the 30-liter travel backpack by Peak Design. On the exterior of this bag, some of my favorite features are the two pouches that you'll find on the sides of the backpack, which I carry my water bottle and my tripod in. And on my backpack strap, I have the Peak Design camera clip, which allows me to access my camera at a moment's notice so that I don't have to go rummaging through my backpack if I want to take a photo. It also has an easy access zip pouch towards the top of the backpack, which is also where I keep Pancro, which is a streak-free lens cleaner, lens cloths, a dust blower, a lens pen, and anything else I'll find myself needing throughout the day. On the inside of this backpack, I have the medium-sized Peak Design camera cube along with the Peak Design tech pouch and also a clear Think Take pouch. So first, let's dive into what's inside my tech pouch. I keep my solid-state drives, my CF Express card reader, any camera or laptop accessories, a hard shell case with memory cards, a shotgun microphone, along with my lens cloths and filters. The filters that I have are the Tiffin Polarizer, the Variable ND by PrismFX, and the Dream Filter by PrismFX as well. In my Think Take pouch, I keep my camera batteries and the charger. In this little zip pouch here, I keep the rain cover just so that I can easily access it in case it just starts randomly dumping rain. Like I mentioned, I have the medium-sized camera cube by Peak Design, and in it I keep my Sony Alpha 7R5, and 9 times out of 10 you'll find the 24-70 G Master 2 lens on my camera. I love this lens because it is so versatile. I also have the 16-35mm, which I use for interiors or architecture where you want that wider look and feel. And I have the 100-400mm lens, which is great for wildlife or landscapes that you really want to punch in on. And if you're wondering what these blue filters are attached to all of these lenses, it is the Variable ND that I mentioned earlier by PrismFX. Last but certainly not least, I have the Contax T2 35mm point-and-shoot film camera, and this is my newest addition to my family of cameras. So there you have it. That's what's in my kit as we head into 2024. I'm excited to see how this changes and evolves because I'm always adapting and finding new things that I like to use in terms of photography and video. In the comments, let me know what your favorite camera accessories are in your kit, and as always, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one.